Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It, Do It. I'm Sandhya. Today I'm going to show you how to make this. Look, this is a technique. I already done this with Dartmanipulation technique. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Cut and sew it. I use as a top, zipper here, how you look backside. Also you can use as a dress or blouse, whatever you want. So let's start now. Trace your basic block and also midline with two darts, side dart and base dart. So I'm going to measure 3 inches here up and you connect dart point, 3-inch point, and until here. Also you make a line from this dart point until here. You make a nice heart shape. First I'm going to fold midline, make a nice heart shape. And cut through this line. Before you cut, better you mark cut marks, okay, these notches. Okay. Make same notches the other side also. So make your neck design whatever you want. I make 1.5 inch wide, 2 inch. This time I make a nice shape like this. So okay. So what you are going to do now, you cut through this line first. Now you close this dart, and these two. Now this part you cut all around with sewing allowance. When you are going to cut with fabric, please do not forget here sewing allowance, this area, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to make this. Look, take a piece of fabric, take your this block, fold in two, and I already cut with sewing allowance, okay? In this pattern you make a small round, okay, and take another part of fabric, now you sew this round, okay? I'm going to machine and I'm going to sew here. Look, you can see now I sew this round. Now I cut this round, please do not cut where you sewn, okay? Just make a hole. Now take this fabric through this hole out. Look, you can see now, okay? Now look what I'm doing, okay? You go round, round, make like pleats, okay, and pin it. And turn this side. Now you sew through your sewing allowance. Okay, you sew now through sewing allowance, okay? I'm going to machine now. You can see sewing lines. Now you cut this extra fabric. How you look? Take your pattern here, mark all notches. Okay, notches. Now I'm going to cut this pattern too. You can see now, take a fabric, lay your pattern here and sew in allowance all around. This is facing for your neckline, and do not forget cut marks here, notches. Okay, while all these notches must be same place. Okay, like this. So you can cut now. So you can see I cut this piece. And take this your piece. First I make notch here. Okay, and same position. And you can see notch with notch. You mark small cut mark. Okay, look. Notch mark. Look, you have to match all notch marks together from here on here and sew all around. Before you sew, you sew these together. You sew these together. It means this part, okay, and sew all around nicely, okay. So you can see now how it look like. Very beautiful. If you want to make more gathers here, you have to put more, as I done, okay. I make facing for neckline, how you look back side. This is your pattern. Just try it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorial. Until next time, stay happy and safe. I'm Sandhya. Learn it, do it.